How to fix errors in TurboTax. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open the TurboTax application or open a browser. In the search bar, search for turbotax.com and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on this letter icon. Just like that, you can simply scroll below, tap on Tax Tools, then select Tools. This section gives you access to helpful features that can fix issues and improve your tax filing process. If you are dealing with repetitive or confusing error, TurboTax has a useful option called Clear and Start Over. So inside here, you have to simply expand Switch Product and then tap on Clear and Start Over. This will allow you to reset your return and begin again from scratch. It can be really helpful if your entries are messy, errors keep repeating, or you feel stuck in the process. But before you continue, be careful. This option will permanently delete your current data, so make sure you really want to reset everything before confirming. Once you are sure, you can simply tap on the prompt, then tap on Yes, clear my tax data, and TurboTax will clear your information, giving you a fresh start to re-enter your details correctly. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.